Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Calamity Mod on Terraria Xbox One. It's important to understand that Calamity Mod is a massive, fan-created expansion for Terraria, offering hundreds of new items, bosses, and challenges. However, this incredible content is specifically built for the PC version of Terraria, utilizing a separate application called Mod Loader. Unfortunately, console versions, including the Xbox One, do not officially support these extensive community-made modifications. The primary reason for this limitation lies in how console platforms operate. Unlike PC, Xbox One has a closed system, meaning players cannot directly access or alter game files. Modding often involves deep integration with the game's code, which is not permitted on consoles due to security and stability concerns. Additionally, platform owners like Microsoft have rigorous review processes for all content, making it unfeasible for thousands of community-made mods to be officially supported. If you're eager to dive into the world of Calamity Mod, the best way to experience it is by playing Terraria on a personal computer. The PC version, through Mod Loader, provides seamless access to Calamity and many other fantastic mods, adding thousands of hours of new gameplay. This platform allows for the flexibility and open architecture necessary for such extensive modifications to function correctly and be easily installed by players. While Calamity Mod isn't on Xbox One, Terraria still provides an incredibly rich and expansive experience on the console. You can explore vast, procedurally generated worlds, build intricate structures, and challenge over 30 unique bosses. The game offers hundreds of hours of official content, including major updates and events. Gather your friends for exciting multiplayer adventures and discover everything the vanilla Terraria world has to offer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.